Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
You start by getting both ends ready. Install Droidcam on your phone and the client on your computer, then grant camera and mic permissions. Once done, make sure phone and PC share the same Wi-Fi network or enable USB tethering for lower latency. Position your phone on a tripod or steady surface, at eye level, because framing and stability matter. Next, open the Droidcam client on your PC to begin pairing. You'll see IP and port info. Keep that handy for the next step. Now connect the devices. Type the phone's IP and port into the Droidcam client or switch to USB mode for a wired link. USB is more reliable when bandwidth is limited. Then pick a video quality and aspect ratio that fits Google Meet. Choosing 16:9 avoids letterboxing. Start the camera in the client and verify the live preview. Adjust focus, exposure, and zoom on the phone if needed. Once the stream looks good, you're ready to select it inside Google Meet. To finish, open Google Meet and go to Settings, then Video. Choose the Droidcam source as your camera. If you want to use the phone's microphone, select it as Meet's audio input and mute your PC mic to prevent echo. Join a quick test meeting to confirm sync and framing. Make final exposure tweaks on the phone. Troubleshooting tip: if video is choppy or fails, stop the Droidcam stream and reconnect using USB mode, or restart the client. That resolves most connection issues quickly.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.